point. It was a statement of how pretentious modern music is. It was revolutionary, really. Revolutionarily asinine.
Oh, I get it. It was so asinine, it was revolutionary.
Exactly. You got it.
That was sarcasm, Rob.
Oh.
I mean, it's just, we live in New York City, the international capital of music, and we end up seeing a guy get remarkably trashed and pass out on a mattress. And what kind of concert starts at 10 a.m. anyways? I got out of bed for that? I'm gonna take a nap.
I forgot. Oh. I think I forgot my wallet at the music hall.
Do you want me to go back with you?
I mean...
Fuck.
Maybe some chocolate milk. Would that help?
I just hate the whole, ooh, look at me, I'm making a statement by not making a statement. It just dissolves into postmodern sludge.
Well, I think postmodernism can be really good.
Can it?
Sorry, my girlfriend and I just saw this show, and she didn't really like it, but I thought it was pretty good.
Really? What? I thought you agreed with me.
Well, I agreed with some of what you said, but on the whole, I thought it was actually kind of revolutionary.
Revolutionary? The Revolutionary War was revolutionary. So was the Cuban Missile Crisis.
Well, I thought it was the perfect case study in El Realismo Magico.
Man, I don't speak Spanish.
Oh, really? So, where are you from?
Bushwick?
Yeah, but where are you from?
My grandparents were born in DR.
DR?
Dominican Republic.
Oh, DR, right. Okay, all right. Well, anyway, what I was saying was, I'm sorry you couldn't understand me. I thought what we just saw was a perfect case study in magical realism.
Okay.
So, you know Gabriel Garcia Marquez?
I've read everything Gabo has ever written.
Well, yeah, but I'm talking about Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Gabo is Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Oh. Well, I didn't know that.
I thought you took a class.
Okay, well, my point still stands. I thought it was a solid ode to a lot of Latin American writers.
Well, I'm glad you have opinions and viewpoints about cultures that aren't your own.
Aren't my own? Gabriel Garcia Marquez read all over the world. He's a global author. Besides, we're basically in the same culture. You don't speak Spanish.
Rob.
What? We're just having a conversation.
Okay. How are you just sitting there thinking this is okay? Talking to your friend over here?
Me?
Yeah, you. Do you not get what he's doing is wrong? No, I've got it. You're just afraid this guy's gonna break up with you if you call him out.
Look, I'm just trying to not get involved.
Well, too late. You are. God damn. There's always a girl next to every guy who hits on you. And she always has that same idiot look on her face. Yeah, that one. I'm gonna photograph that face and put it in MoMA. I'll call it Girl in Shock Upon Discovering Her Douchebag Boyfriend is a Douchebag.
I'm not hitting on you.
I am not talking to you. Man, I bet you're twisting this conversation in your head so I seem like a total bitch.
She was acting kind of bitchy.
Local train. The next stop is Bay Harbor.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Hey, look, I'm sorry.
Follow me. Yeah, that's cool, I guess.
I'm sorry for that too. Rob is new to the city and he's just exploring in his own moronic way.
This is a city, not a playground. If your idea of exploring is treating people like culture caricatures, then you're making a shitty place even shittier.
Shitty. I want to make them better, but I don't really know how since there's some global revolutionary movement, and I'm certainly not a Trotskyist, even though he did sleep with Frida Kahlo, which honestly I thought was beneath her, but I don't want to judge artists, especially women artists and their romantic lives. And let's be real, Picasso was a total asshole to all six of his wives, and sort of just left
This is
them
no
out.
excuse to rant. Your boyfriend was just hitting on me, and you're the one apologizing.
God. You're right. This real world stuff is all really confusing.
It isn't. Stand up for yourself.
I'll try.
Also, you only saved Frida because she was a woman. Diego Rivera is way better.
No, wait, that